What up, mga solid subscribers, no? Okay guys, no? Ito, ipapanood tayong video, no? So, a very big shout po kay SB Edits, no? SB19 daw, na-feature daw po sa Korea, no? So, ano po kaya ito, no? Tara, panoorin po natin to, no? Kahit ako, medyo nag-ano ako, parang tawag dito, curious ako, na-feature daw sa Korea, which is, alam naman natin, guys, no? Korea, diyan po talaga tayo nag-originate yung P-pop, no? Although na yung P-pop before, no? Matagal ng P-pop, guys, pero yung P-pop ngayong generation, no? Diyan po talaga nag-originate po talaga, no? Diyan sila hindi ko masabing nagsimula. Pero diyan nakuha yung idea, diyan nakuha yung blueprint kung ano yung P-pop na nakikita natin ngayon, guys, no? Although na alam niyo na ang SB19, yung approach nila sa P-pop ngayon, guys, no, is ibang-iba na po talaga sa K-pop, guys, no. Ganun po ang SB19, guys. Maniwala kayo sa akin, no. Hindi ko to sinasabi para buhatin yung bangko nila, parang ganun, guys, no. Pero sinasabi ko lang to as a viewer, no, as an YouTuber na talagang sumusuporta po talaga sa P-pop community, no, and as in sa mga P-pop music, sa local artist natin, OPM music, no, talagang yung SB19 talaga, guys, nahiwalay na po nila, no, pati yung stage presence. For me, stage presence nila ibang-iba na talaga, no. Ibig ko sabihin stage presence, kung paano sila, ewan kung tama yung sasabihin ko, pero kung paano sila stage, pero I think mali yung stage presence. Kasi stage presence, di ba, yun, like, kunyari, kung ano yung dating mo sa kanila, kung ano yung dating ng SB19 sila, di ba? So, I think kung ano sila, kung paano sila mag-act sa stage, no? Ibang-iba na po talaga sila, or on screen, no? Ibang-iba, wala kang makikitang ganito yung napaka-formal, like, kunyari, kung paano mag-act ang isang K-pop artist or K-pop group, no? Ibang-ibang SB19. No? Oo, sige, aminin natin, no? Before, ang SB19 po talaga, no? This is just my own opinion, no? Pero I'm very sure meron naman sa inyo nakapansin din ito, no? Yung pananamit nila before, ang mga bandang go up era yun, pananamit nila before, yung kanilang kilos, although hindi naman sobra, no? Kilos, and then yung pananamit nila, di ba, yung kilos nila, and then yung talagang mahalin tulad mo talaga sa K-pop po talaga, guys, no? Kasi syempre doon tayo nagsimula, tandaan nyo, guys, isa pa yung Show BT, that's a Korean company, guys, no? Korean company yun, guys, kaya talagang kung ano po yung, kung paano trumabaho or kung paano yung approach ng K-pop sa Korea, ganyan yung tinuturo po nila, no? So kaya hindi matatanggi kung bakit ganun po ang SB19 ngayon, no? Pero this is a good thing for them kasi yan, 1Z Entertainment, guys, no, di ba? Meron silang sariling company nila, no? Kaya ayun, parang pwede na silang, malaya na sila kung anong gusto nilang i-act, no? So, napakaganda ng tinatahak ngayon ng SB19 for me, napakaganda ng tinatahak nila kasi binibigyan nila ng sariling muka yung P-pop natin, guys, no? Diba? Although na yung iba, I think, yung mga hindi pa aware, no? Sabihin nila, K-pop lang yun. Hindi, guys, no? Actually, ngayon, guys, no? Napakaraming mga groups, no? For me, bago ko panoorin ito, explain ko na sa inyo, guys, napakaraming mga grupo ngayon na talagang naglalabasan na hindi mo na masabi, guys, no? Kung bakit pilit pa rin nilang ginagaya yung sa K-pop, kung paano yung approach ng K-pop, no? Doon ako parang medyo nalulungkot, no? Mas maganda siguro na yung bawat release natin ng bagong P-pop artist is, alam mo yun, sariling natin, sariling identity naman na sana natin, no? Huwag na tayong kumuha ng idea or gayahin kung paano yung kilos, kung paano yung approach sa music, yung sayaw, yung pananamit ng K-pop, guys. So, yun lang naman yung sa akin, no? Kaya may times din po talaga, guys, na alam mo yan, parang ay nako, meron akong bagong P-pop group, baka ganito na naman to, no? Although na may times na gano'n, no? May times ako na gano'n ako naramdaman ako, no? Pero sana maano natin, magkaroon tayo ng sarili nating identity, no? P-pop Rise nga, di ba? Kaya sana umangat tayo ng sarili nating identity, no? Yun lang naman for me, no? Okay, guys, panoorin na ito, no? Mapahaba yung kwentuhan natin, no? Okay, let's go.
SB Edits. Fresh, new and major updates about SB19. Before anything else, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell button for more SB19 updates.
18. We are back again to give you the latest updates about SB19. Time is finally making its way to the international level as Sony Music Korea featured SB19's time on their official Instagram account Reels. Flashed on the screen is the video of this feature. Also, I know this is couple of days late, but we are now back on the Billboard Fan Army Battle, and the BBFA Battle for this year 2025 is now on its round 2. I know we have a lot of new additional 18 after the BBFA 2024, so for starters and newbie in voting, here is a quick tutorial. First, please click the link we will attach in the pinned comment of this video. You will be directed here. Scroll down and wait for a bit for this to appear. Click Vote Now. Input your name or nickname, your valid email address, and then check the Agree to the Terms of Use and Privacy Policy button and click Start Voting. Please be cautious on the number 1 out of 16 above. For round 2, SB19 is at number 7 out of 16, so click this button until you reach 7 out of 16. For round 2, SB19 will be against Ariana Grande. Scroll down and click the Vote tab above SB19. After clicking, you will be directed to the next number, which is 8 out of 16. Continue clicking this until this will appear. Please take note that you can vote 10 times per email per round, so click the vote again and use all your 10 votes until this will appear. As of 7:47 p.m. Philippine time, we got a massive 93.1% of votes. This is a high vote score, but since this is yet round 2 and the vote battle is not that tough, percentage of votes can easily change even in just few hours. So 18, please don't be complacent and keep on voting until the round 2 ends. For the information of everyone, most especially to our new 18 in the family, SB19 is the winner for 2 consecutive years now, starting in 2023, 2024, and now we are aiming for another win this 2025. This is a tough battle, so consistency is always the key. Never be complacent and keep on voting for SB1918.
So yan guys ha, binigyan na tayo ng instructions ni SB Edits regarding sa kung paano po tayo boboto guys, no. So yun guys, no, yun nga kasi ang goal ng SB19, di ba? Kaya sila gumagawa ng mga English language na mga kanta, no. Kaya syempre ang target nga nila is global talaga guys, no. As in global talaga, international guys, no. Yun yung target nila, no. Pero alam mo yun, kahit mag-release kasi sila ng Tagalog, no, nag-hit pa rin po guys, no. Yun, ganun kasolid SB19 po guys, no. Kahit mag-release sila ng Tagalog song, nag-hit eh. Yung Gento, di ba? Isipin nyo, Tagalog song yun, pero na-reach na yung yung international level po talaga guys, no. Ganun kasolid po SB19, no. Kahit mauwi kang Tagalog man yan guys, napaka-solid, no. Kasi dagdag mo rin dun guys yung kasi I think andun na rin yung kanta, syempre andun yung kanta, pero idagdag mo rin yung choreography guys, so napaka-solid, no. So for the end time guys, no, please wag niyo na pong bitawan si Sir J. Napaka-solid ni Sir J po talaga, no. Napaka-unique ng sayaw niya, no, ng choreography niya, approach niya sa choreography niya. At actually pati yung kanyang dancing ability, napaka-unique po talaga, no. Yan, coming from a dancer po guys, no, please. Pero guys, isa na rin kasi talaga nung tumulong is yung kanta po talaga mismo, yung melody, yung approach, yung atake, no. Kaya ang solid po talaga ng SB19. Yung utak nila, wow, grabe, nakakabilib, no. Kaya for me, no, talagang live po yung mararating nila, no. Kung yung habol talaga nila is uniqueness and hindi sila may kibagay, no, talagang malayong mararating ng SB19 for me, napaka-solid ng SB19. Kaya lang guys, huwag natin kalimutan syempre mag-vote, no, sa Billboard Fan Army guys, no. Kaya yun, maraming salamat, no. Ayun, I think from time to time papaalala ko rin syempre na mag-vote tayo guys, no. Although ano pa siya, no, malayo lamang natin, pero alam mo yun, sa isang pikit mo lang or kahit 1 hour man yun, 30 minutes, pwedeng bumaliktad po yan guys, no. Kaya wag tayo makampante po. So yun lang, maraming salamat. So this is Point of Signing out. Peace. Let's see.